presenting a pre-owned 2016 BMW. This two-door coupe has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 47,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include Sport Package, Technology Package, Auxiliary Audio Input, Satellite Radio, Speed-Sensitive Volume Control, Wireless Data Link, Moonroof, Power Windows, Window Defogger, Air Filtration, Front Air Conditioning, Cruise Control, Power Steering, Universal Remote, Digital Odometer, External Temperature Display, Airbags, Anti-Lock Brakes, Braking Assist, Power Brakes, Child Seat Anchors, Seatbelt Force Limiters, Power Door Locks, Stability Control, Traction Control, and heated front seats.